dear children. All of you close your eyes and let's start our class with a silent prayer. How do you do, my dear children? I hope all of you are good. Okay. I know this climate is very good for sleeping, but spare your time for studies too. So, we have seen in the previous classes so many problems, isn't it? So today in this class also, we are going to discuss a set of problems. So, let's move to the first question.
Let's do the first problem. Read the question. The price of 3 pencils and 4 pens is 26 rupees. And for 6 pencils and 3 pens is 27 rupees. What is the price of each? All of you read the question once again and try to connect it with the problems that we have done in the previous class and tell me what you are going to do first. Some of you may use mental calculation. You can use it and find it. But here I am discussing by using algebra. Okay. So tell me the first step. Yes. We are taking the price of pencil as X. You can take the price of pen as X. There is no problem. And what will be the next step? Let the price of pen be Y. Now what is the first statement given in the question? The price of 3 pencils and price of 4 pens is how much? Rupees 26. And what is the next statement? Price of 6 pencils and price of 3 pens is rupees 27. Now it's your turn. You have to tell me the equation from these two statements. See, the price of 3 pencils. So what will be that? 3x. And the price of 4 pens. What will be that? Plus 4y. And it gives 26. Again, price of 6 pencils, that is 6x. And price of 3 pens, what is that? Plus 3y. And it gives 27. Look at the equations very carefully and try to relate it with the equations we got in the last class. Do you remember the equations that we got in the last class? Yes. Here, look at the first set. Here, the coefficient of x was same. So, it was easy to find the value of y and then find the value of x. Here, the coefficient of y is same, or we can cancel it very easily and we can find x and then we can find y. But here, what is the problem? Yes, here both the coefficients, that is coefficient of x and coefficient of y, are different. Now, how can we solve this? We want to solve this, isn't it? We have to find the value of x and y. Now, how will you solve this? Let's see. You can see a box here, isn't it? So, from the question, what is the first statement says? We have 3 pencil and we have 4 pens and the price of these is 26. In the second statement, the number of pencil was 6 and the number of pen was 3 and the price of these was 27. Our task is that we have to make the coefficient or one of these numbers the same. So, what are you going to do? See, can you relate 4 and 3? No, isn't it? Can you relate 3 and 6? ഒന്ന് ആലോചിച്ച് നോക്കിയേ. ഇപ്പൊ ആദ്യത്തെ കേസിൽ 3 പെൻസിലിന് പകരം ഒരു 6 പെൻസിൽ വാങ്ങിച്ചിരുന്നെങ്കിൽ നമുക്ക് ഓക്കെ ആയിരുന്നു അല്ലേ? നമുക്ക് നേരെ അങ്ങ് ചെയ്ത് പോയാൽ മതിയായിരുന്നു. പക്ഷേ ഇപ്പൊ ഈ കേസ് അപ്പം അങ്ങനല്ലല്ലോ. അങ്ങനെ ആയിരുന്നെങ്കിൽ ഇപ്പൊ 3 പെൻസിലിന്റെ സ്ഥാനത്ത് 6 പെൻസിൽ വാങ്ങിയിരുന്നെങ്കിൽ 4 പെൻസിലിന്റെ സ്ഥാനത്ത് എത്ര പെൻസിൽ വാങ്ങണമായിരുന്നു? യെസ്, 8 പെൻസിൽ വാങ്ങണമായിരുന്നു. അതേപോലെ തന്നെ പ്രൈസും ചേഞ്ച് ചെയ്യുമായിരുന്നല്ലോ. എന്റെ ചോദ്യം, എങ്ങനെ ഈ 3 6 ആകും? By which operation? Very good. If you multiply 3 into 2, we get 6. അപ്പം നമ്മൾ 3നെ മാത്രം മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്താൽ പോരല്ലോ, ത്രൂ ഔട്ട് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ഉണ്ട്. So, if we multiply 3 into 2, what we get? 6. If we multiply 4 into 2, what we get? 8. if we multiply 26 into 2, what we get? 52, isn't it? So let's think once again. 3 pencil plus 4 pen equal to 26 from the first row, isn't it? 6 pencil plus 3 pen equal to 27 from the second row, isn't it? And what we have to do? We have to change this to what? Yes. We changed the first row, that is the first row completely, into 6 pencil plus 8 pen equal to 52 by multiplying with 2. Is there any change to the second row? No. 6 pencils plus 3 pens equal to 27. Now see, you have 6 pencils in both the cases, and what happened to number of pens? Number of pens, what? Extra 5 pens, isn't it? 3 pens changed to 8 pens, so extra 5 pens. And the price changed to 27 to 52. That is, there is an increase in a price, that is 25 rupees increase. So what you can say? What is this 25? Yes, the price of this 5 pence is 25, isn't it? So what will be the price of a pen? 25 divided by 5, and it is 5. Very good. So you got the price of pen as 5. Now I have given price of 3 pencils equal to 26 minus price of 4 pens. From where did I get that? From here. Here, price of 3 pencil plus 4 pen is 26. So, price of 3 pencils will be 26 minus price of 4 pens. So, what will be the next step? You know the price of 1 pen. And the price of 4 pens will be 4 into 5. So, the equation becomes 26 minus 4 into 5. What is the next step? 26 minus 20. Then what is the next step? The difference is 6. So we got the price of 3 pencils as 6. Then what will be the price of 1 pencil? Yes, it will be 6 divided by 3. And the value is 2. So we got the price of pen as 5. How? We took the price of pen as X. Sorry. We got the price of pen as 5 from the earlier calculation, and now we got the price of pencil as rupees 2. Okay. Okay. Now we are coming back to the question that we were discussing. Can you tell me or recall the steps that we have done? What we have done first? Yes, we took the price of pencil as X. Good. Then what we have done next? The price of pen as Y. Good. Then what was the next step we done? In the question, the price of 3 pencil and 4 pens was rupees 26, isn't it? And we formed the equation as 3x plus 4y equal to 26, isn't it? Now what was the next step? We took this as, or we take this as equation number 1. Now what is the next step, or we have done? From the question itself, it is given that the price of 6 pencil and 3 pens is rupees 27. So what we have done? Yes, we write it in terms of equation, and we got 6x plus 3y equal to 27. Okay, and we take this as equation number 2. So this was the step we have done when we discussed this question at first. We are considering these two equations together and we were stuck, isn't it? Okay, now can you tell me how can you convert these two equations so that we can solve this by using one equation in one letter? What we have done? From the previous table, we have seen that if we can multiply the first equation or the first row with 2, we can make the coefficient of x same, isn't it? So here also, what we are going to do? We will multiply equation number 1 by 2. So what we get? We have 3x plus 4y equal to 26. And by multiplying it by 2, we get 3x into 2 is 6x. 4y into 2 is 8y. 26 into 2 is 52. And we call this as equation number 3. And you remember, we didn't change the second row. That is, there is no change for the second equation. And we write it as equation number 2. Now let's compare this 2 and 3. What is 3? 6x plus 8y equal to 52. What is equation 2? 6x plus 3y equal to 27. Now you can easily tell me what you are going to do next. Yes, very good. We will subtract. What we get? 6x minus 6x is 0x. 8x plus 8x minus 3y is 5y. 52 minus 27 is 25. So we got 5y equal to 25. My question is, what will be y? Yes, y will be 25 divided by 5 by method of inversion. And we get it as 5. See, we found the value of y as 5. So we got the value of y. Now what is our next step? Yes, we have to find the value of x, isn't it? So can you tell me what you are going to do to find the value of x? Yes, substituting the value of y in any of the equation. Here I am using equation number 1. And what was equation number 1? 3x plus 4y equal to 26. Now tell me the next step. Yes, there is no change for 3x, isn't it? And 4y is changed to 4 into 5. Why? Because we got y as 5. So tell me the next step. Yes, very good. 4 into 5 is 20. So we get the next equation as 3x plus 20 equal to 26. Now what will be the next one? Yes, 3x will be 26 minus 20. So what will be? It is 6. So 3x equal to 6. What will be x? Correct. X will be 6 divided by 3. And tell me the answer. Yes, it's 2. So we got x as 2 and y as 5. And we took the price of pencil as x. And its price is rupees 2. And we took the price of pen as y. And we got it as rupees 5. Okay. Let's discuss another problem. Read the question. 2 times a number added to 3 times another number gives 28. 4 times the first number added to 5 times the second number gives 50. What are the numbers? All of you read the question once again. We have done same problem, same kind of problem in the last class. Okay, then go through the question once again and tell me the steps easily. What is the first step? Yes, we will take the unknown numbers as what? X and y. So here let the first number be x and let the second number be y. Very good. Then what is the first statement? 2 times first number plus 3 times second number gives 28. Isn't it? Can you tell me the equation? Yes. 2 times first number is 2x. 3 times second number is 3y. And it gives 28. What is the next statement? Yes. 4 times the first number plus 5 times the second number gives 50. So tell me the equation. Correct. 4x plus 5y equal to 50. Isn't it? Good. Very good. So from step 1, we got two equations. 2x plus 3y equal to 28 and we call it as equation 1. 4x plus 5y equal to 50 and we call it as equation number 2. Look at these two equations carefully and tell me what you are going to do next. Here, the coefficient of x and y are different. Very good. So, how can you change or make it same? Okay, look at the coefficient of x and then tell me. Yes, very good. See, here in the equation number 1, the coefficient of x is 2. Equation number 2, the coefficient of x is 4. So, if we can change, complete the sentence. 2 to 4, we can easily solve, isn't it? Okay. Now, considering both equations together and converting one letter in terms of other by multiplying with a suitable number. Here, what is a suitable number? Great. Good. It's 2. So, multiply 1 with 2 to make coefficients of x equal, isn't it? Okay. So, 2 into, what is the LHS? 2x plus 3y equal to 2 into 28. Now tell me, 2 into 2x, what is that? 4x. Then plus, what is 2 into 3y? It's 6y. And what does it give? Tell me. It's 56, isn't it? And what property we used here? Distributive property. And we get 4x plus 6y equal to 56. Okay. And we call this as equation number 3. What will be the next step then? Yes, we will compare the equation we got now, that is 3 and 2. Okay, so comparing 3 and 2. What is 3? 4x plus 6y equal to 56. What is the equation 2? 4x plus 5y equal to 50. Now tell me the next step. You all know the step. Tell me. We are going to subtract 4 from 3, isn't it? That is 3 minus 4. Okay, then what is that? 0x. Says 4x minus 4x is 0. And 6y minus 5y. It's 1y. And we write it as plus y. And what is 56 minus 50? It's 6. So we got y equal to 6. So we got one variable. Now what is the next step? Yes, we will take any of the equation, either 1 or 2. It's your wish. Now I am taking equation number 1. So it is 2x plus 3y equal to 28. Now tell me, next one. We will replace y with 6. And we get 2x plus 3 into 6 equal to 28. Good. Then what is the next step? 2x plus 18 equal to 28. Good. Then next step. 2x equal to 28 minus 18 by method of inversion. So what we get? 2x equal to 10. 2 into x gives 10. Then what will be x? Yes, 10 divided by 2. And what is that? It's 5. So we got the value of y and we got the value of x. And do you remember what is this x and y? Yes. The first number was x and we got it as 5. And the second number is y and we got it as 6. Okay. Let's discuss another problem. Read the question. If 6x plus 7y equal to 11 and 2x plus 3y equal to 7, find x plus y. Read the question once again and tell me what you have understood and what we have to find out. Yes, we have two equations, isn't it? Which are they? Yes, first is 6x plus 7y equal to 11 and we call this as equation 1. And which is the second one? Good. 2x plus 3y equal to 7 and we call this as equation 2. Now, can any one of you tell me what we are going to do next? Yes, we will try to make the coefficient of one of these letters same. And carefully look at these equations and tell me how we are going to change it. Good, very good. Some of you said me by multiplying which equation by which number? Yes, equation 2 by 3, so that we get the coefficient of x as 6. Good. Then how these equation change? Yes, 3 into 2x plus 3y equal to 3 into 7. What is the next step? We will open the bracket by multiplying this 3 with 2x. So we get 6x. And these 3 with this 3y. So we get 9y. And 3 into 7 is 21. So in total we get 6x plus 9y equal to 21, isn't it? And we call this as equation 3. Is there any change to equation 1? No. So again I am writing 6x plus 9y equal to 21 and the second equation 6x plus 7y equal to 11. Now it's your turn. Tell me what you are going to do now. Yes. We will cancel x, isn't it? By subtracting. Good. Which from which? 2 from 3. Okay. Now tell me the equation you get after subtracting. Very good. 6x minus 6x becomes 0x. I need to know the remainder. Good. 9y minus 7y becomes 2y. And 21 minus 11 becomes 10. So what we get? 2y equal to 10. Tell me why. Good. Y is 10 divided by 2 and that is 5. Okay. So we got y, isn't it? Now how will you find x? Yes, we know by substituting the value of y in any of the equation. So I am taking 2x plus 3y equal to 7, which is equation 2, isn't it? Now tell me the next step. No change for 2x. And 3y changes to 3 into 5 and there is no change for 7, isn't it? So we get the equation as 2x plus 3 into 5 equal to 7. Then tell me the next step. Yes, 2x plus 15 equal to 7, isn't it? Good. Now tell me what you are going to do next. Yes, 2x is good. 7 minus 15, isn't it? What is 7 minus 15? Yes, it's minus 8. So we get 2x as minus 8. Then tell me x. Yes, x will be minus 8 divided by 2. And what is that? Minus 4. So we get the value of x as minus 4. And we got the value of y as 5, isn't it? So x equal to minus 4 and y equal to 5. But what was our question? We have to find x plus y. Now tell me what is x plus y. X plus y is minus 4 plus 5. And what is the answer? It's 1, isn't it? So x plus y equal to 1. Here is your homework question. Write it down and do it by yourself.
So, in this class, what we have learned? We learned if you have two equations, we can make the coefficient of one of the letter same and then solve it very easily. So, go through the problems once again, do the homework and come back. Let's meet in the next class. Thank you.